Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant.
Daily news and updates for 10th October 2023. In a significant development, the Directorate General of GST Intelligence has sent 4 show-cause notices to Reliance General Insurance Company or RGIC totaling Rs 922.58 crore in goods and service tax dues. These notices have raised critical questions about various aspects of RGIC's financial operations, potentially impacting its status as a key subsidiary of Reliance Capital Ltd. Notably, RGIC is considered the crown jewel of Reliance Capital Ltd, constituting approximately 70% of its total value. However, these GST dues notices raise concerns about the financial stability and compliance of this key subsidiary. Meanwhile, the parent company Reliance Capital is currently undergoing a debt resolution process under the National Company Law Tribunal, which adds further complexity to the situation. Earlier, the MCA-wide circular dated September 25, 2023 extended the relaxation from dispatching of physical copies of financial statements up to September 30, 2024. Therefore, SEBI, in order to bring it in line with MCA, has decided to extend relaxation to listed entities also. Listed entities are relaxed from sending a hard copy of annual report to non-convertible security holders up to 30th September 2024. Economists are pushing back on their expectations of interest rate reductions by the RBI, as it is signaling that it has a long way to go before lowering interest rates. Moreover, the Israel-Hamas war could add to the risks of oil prices rising above the current assumptions, which in turn could put pressure on inflation and further delay monetary easing. Most Indian smartphone manufacturers, including Lava and Bhagwati or Micromax, are struggling to meet their incremental targets under the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme for the third year in a row in financial year 24, underlining challenges in the government efforts to create local manufacturing champions. Dixon Technologies is said to be among a few exceptions, as it has some big orders and signaling some new ones, industry executives said. While global manufacturing companies such as Foxconn, Wistron and Samsung have helped the PLI scheme for mobile phones become a grand success, a top executive at homegrown smartphone brand Lava said the manufacturing industry needs more time to establish local champions.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.